Upgrade your bathroom with the Scudo Aubrey Dust Grey Wall-Hung Tall Boy Unit, available here at Bella Bathrooms. This sleek and modern unit is perfect for making a statement in any contemporary space. With its handleless door design and high-quality dust grey finish, it adds a touch of elegance to your bathroom decor. No need to worry about assembly as the unit comes pre-assembled, saving you time and effort. The two internal shelves provide ample storage for all your essentials, keeping your bathroom neat and organized. Crafted from moisture-resistant materials, this unit is built to withstand damp and humid conditions, ensuring its durability for years to come. With the option to hang the doors on either side, you can customize the placement according to your preference. Choosing a wall-hung design will free up valuable floor space, giving your bathroom a spacious and uncluttered feel. Discover this and the rest of the Scudo Aubrey range at bellabathrooms.co.uk.